kids are going to have to learn how to deal with really complex issues that are global. We can no longer kind of stick to our own city or state or nation. Like, all of our problems are really interconnected.
World Savvy's made me a better teacher in that it allows me to have a real world project. So much of what the kids study, they always are asking, you know, how does this relate to my life? And I love the World Savvy Challenge has a real problem and a real solution, and so it gives them ownership in learning.
I mean, you catch them in conversation in the hallways or during lunch where they're actually kind of talking about the issues and sort of bringing it to their everyday real world experiences.
The best part of World Savvy is that the kids get to choose something they feel passionate about and explore that question.
The whole program and how they surround the issues of getting students globally involved and globally conscious is really effective. I mean, if you look at the impact and the work done, you know, versus the size of the organization, you know that whatever you give is really going to be put to use. So I'd invite everybody to join World Savvy and support it because it's a great cause.